Hello everyone, myself Shrawani Bidwe. In my last video, I have gave you some information about the ruminant. In this video, I will show you how the electric bell work. This is an image of electric bell. This is an electric bell. This electric bell is made up of electromagnet. Now, how does an electric bell functioning? This is an electric bell's circuit. Now the switch is off. Now when you can see there is a magnetic piece in a U shape. Around this magnet there is a wounded wire. Then again the piece of magnet is near the electromagnet. In this magnet there is a spring. On other hand side of this magnet is one hammer said clapper. Near the clapper there is one contact screw also. Now in round shape there is a metal piece near a clapper said gong. You can see the gong. When the switch if we on, this time the clapper is joined to screw. That's why the circuit is completed and the current will flow. The current flowing time on wire's coil. After that the coil will be an electromagnet. Then the electromagnet pushing the clapper towards himself. Because of this, that clapper is going towards the gong and it make a sound like tung, tung. When the bell rang, that time the screw is far from the clapper. We said that the circuit is open. This process is continued till the switch is off. Again and again the process will be continued. Friends, thank you for watching my video.